Hello everyone, welcome back in the new video of the series Functional Programming. Learn about functional programming is the topic. Functional programming is a style of programming where solutions are simple, isolated functions without any side effect outside the function scope. That means input, some process, and then output. Functional programming is about isolated functions. There is no dependence on a state of the program, which includes global variables that are subject to change. Pure functions. The same input always gives the same output. Function with limited side effects. Any changes or mutations to the state of program outside the function are carefully controlled. Task for this challenge. The members of FreeCodeCamp happen to love tea. In the code editor, the prepare tea and get tea function are already defined for you. Call the get tea functions to get 40 cups of tea for the team and store them in the tea for team FCC variable. Function that returns a string representing a cup of tea. Prepare a tea, then it will return green tea. Given a function representing the tea type and the number of cups needed, following function returns an array of a string, each representing the cup of a specific type. Number of cups we have to pass here. Only change code below this line. Okay. We have to call get t function number of cups 40. Let's run the tests and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.